Are you tired of endless email chains just to schedule a simple meeting? Learn how to set up a Google Calendar appointment schedule in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create an appointment schedule, from clicking the Create button to customizing your booking form. Start by clicking the Create button in the top left corner. Then, from the drop-down, choose Appointment Schedule. Now you'll enter an appointment title. Go ahead and type the title you want. Next, set the appointment duration. Click the time duration from the drop-down menu to choose how long each slot will be. Once that's set, click on Next.
Here, you can check your booking page photo and name.
Also, you can select how and where to meet. If you want, click Google Meet Video Conferencing to add a video link. You can also add a description for the appointment. And customize the booking form to ask for specific info from attendees. Finally, click Save to publish your appointment schedule. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.